Hi, Ron One here from Dumb Bros World with the new used LittleWierdJeep 2008 JKU. Just took it out. This was just a little clip taking it out for the first time to make sure all the four-wheel drive stuff works. So not much to it, just the first time out. And so here I am. We're just out in the desert and I wanted to try a little sand. So here in a minute I'm going to drop down this little embankment you see in front of the Jeep here and drive through that soft sand there a little bit. So here we go. I just had my camera on a block of wood sitting up on the dash of the Jeep, so get better stuff moving forward when we go on some Jeep adventures and film it. But here, tried it in this soft sand, everything worked really good. I've got it in the low range here, that all seemed to work fine. On the track fine, and power seemed good. So far I've been really happy with this little Jeep that I bought, actually sight unseen. Just bought it from pictures online from Collins Brothers Jeep in Texas. So here I am looping around, going to go up this little steep embankment here. See how it does on this. I've got one hand on my camera, keep it from falling off. Right up that, no problems, of course. And, so that's about it. Everything worked good. I like how it handles. The thing steers like a dream, turns tight circles. And I'll do a video here soon. We'll do a closer walk around, and I'll identify the equipment on it. And then as I do add-ons, I'll film them. So you can see what's going on with the LittleWierdJeep 2008 JKU. Sweet! See ya!